the Kwan extradition approval canceled by Montenegro courts. Basically, he's not going to be extradited to the US yet, as of now. But the rejection has just happened because, according to court, it was supposed to be heard and it was not part of the procedure. So, because it was something in the procedure that didn't take place, that's why it was rejected. But it's still going to take place sooner or later. So, it's just going to delay things. But basically what's going to happen is still likely going to be extradited to the United States, and that's something that's probably going to happen. Uh, with this news that came, yes, Luna Classic also just fell in price because the market expecting if the Quan is going to be extradited to the United States, he would have to give up certain holdings to Terra Luna, the Luna Classic, etc., and that's going to make it free from whatever holdings he had, and it's going to make the market better with in terms of Luna Classic. But there's also some news that the Terra Luna Classic community rejects Keyburn proposal, and basically they said that they're looking to uh, burn the USDC in a better way. When we say Terra Luna Classic community was community, I mean everybody can be part of the community, right? So the community is referring to the validators or those organizations that basically in charge of, for instance, Luna Classic staking, the transactions, just like you have Bitcoin miners. So it's similar to miners just for Luna Classic. Um, so again, they're looking for better ways to burn 800 million Terra Luna Classic USDC. It's a very normal thing to see in the market. In fact, when you actually see supposedly bad news like these, that could be a good time to buy Luna Classic because it dropped in value, and now it could be a great time to invest in it. So yes, Luna's Classic price fell 13% in the past 24 hours, with the price currently holding about 0.000144, and the 24-hour low high are 142, 168 respectively, and the trading volume has increased 20% in the last 24 hours. You can expect it to increase, and probably a lot of smart investor has actually going to invest in the currency. On another news, Circle issues euro-backed stablecoin called EURC or EURC natively on the Solana blockchain. And Circle aims to boost around-the-clock foreign exchange transactions and remittance by deploying EURC on Solana. So Circle is the company that issued the USD coin. You can also get it for free, freeusdcoin.com. One USDC is worth $1. And something that Tether hasn't done until now with the USDT is very interestingly, now they came up with EURC. So you can also see the markets where you can actually get it. Binance doesn't have it yet, but it's available on Uniswap, on HUOBI, HTX exchange, and Coinbase as well. And it's pretty interesting because you have the euro and the dollar they've been trading here. CoinMarketCap is not showing exactly the way it's been marketed right now. Like right now, the euro dollar is 1.0985 as of now in the market open, but it's still, yes, it's 1.09-ish, and it basically looks like the company that issued the USD coin, they basically want to boost the ideas of exchanges between stable coins using blockchains. So if you have USDC, you would be able to exchange it to euro, and vice versa. You'll be able to do it in those markets, and probably Binance might adopt this currency pretty soon. Um, it doesn't mean anything in terms of not gonna the currency is not going to the moon because it's gonna be pegged to the dollar to the euro, sorry, but um, it is on the Solana blockchain. Okay, so Solana blockchain is going to get a boost from it. So maybe the euro currency itself is not going to make any changes, but Solana, as you can see, is already the number 6 in the world right now with worth of $74. Just as a reminder, if Solana might be able to do what Ethereum did, or maybe even overtake Ethereum, it's hard to see it as of now, but Ethereum has a lot of drawbacks, especially comes to fees and other issues as well. So Solana is only $74. Is this a bargain? It's hard to say, but news like this definitely gonna give a boost to Solana in the long term. So might be we're gonna see it over $100 for the very long term and for a very good amount of time. So that could be a good investment, and that's why also in the past 7 days Solana has gone up in its price by 8.44% in the past 7 days, unlike Ethereum that hasn't really changed. So there's a reason why companies choose other blockchains. It's again, it could be fees, could be other issues as well, but those are the kind of things that dictate where the market is going and what investors like, etc. So if you type the promo code free EURC, basically free Eurocoin, you're gonna get several rolls, and you're welcome to do it. And we also haven't introduced our new design on the site. Basically, that's a new design that we had previously, but we definitely going to talk about it soon. So you're welcome to give it a try. Let us know your feedback and what you think. And now I have to wait 59 minutes and 56 seconds unless I'm gonna put this code here, and that's gonna generate several other roles without waiting this hour. You're welcome to try it yourself. So 9 months ago, we had a video talking about stocks cryptocurrency up by 50%. Is it worth investing? And we were discussing it.
Currencies and there's
And let's see about part of the video. We're not gonna play the video right now, but let's look for CoinMarketCap back in the days, and 9 months ago, almost there, right? So back in the day, stocks was worth 61 cents. And we were asking if it's worth investing in it. And in the video, we said that yes, it's definitely worth investing in this one. It's something that it's definitely worth the investment because it's providing something that other blockchains haven't done, which is basically have tokens on the Bitcoin blockchain, not on Ethereum, not on Solana, not on anything other than Bitcoin. And it's very interesting now. It yesterday already reached 125, even 127, almost 128, and now it's close to 120. If you look into invest in it, you can do so through so many markets, including Binance, OKX, Coinbase, Gate.io, KuCoin, all these ones offering and more. And if you also wish to stake it, you can stake it in the exchanges, or you can also look for Weather Wallet STX. And by looking for Weather Wallet STX, you can get this wallet, which used to be Hero Wallet, now it's called Leather. And you can go to the stocks website and you can find different options for staking. For instance, Plan Better is a very great tool because it's allowing you to basically you can invest your stocks. For instance, we put 600 stocks here, and you're gonna see the interest paid after the end of the cycle. So now we have cycle 74, and you can invest in stocks as well on the next cycle, cycle 75. These guys charge 5%. Some of them don't charge it, but it's pretty nice because it has a much better interface, and they also provide you more liquidity. So the 5% fee in our view is pretty much worth it, and you can then get the coins in Bitcoin. Basically, you get interest paid in Bitcoin, and it will be showing up here in your Ledger wallet as well. So that's what we were talking about back in the days, but you can see it's pretty much worth it right now. Is it going to the moon? Maybe. It's still pretty much under the radar. There's not a lot of people talking about it. Um, some investors pay attention to it, but not enough in our view. It's if it's going to successfully provide tokens on the Bitcoin blockchain, that's definitely going to be a game changer, and that's going to be very interesting. But it's one of those coins that it's definitely worth watching. Remember that there was a lot of hype around coins back in the days. For instance, HBAR, this used to be worth 40, 50, even 60 cents, and now it's only 8 cents. So that could happen to any coin, any failed project, anything that doesn't provide something that the market wants. However, stocks, which is number 43 right now in CoinMarketCap, yes, it's 24% yield in the past 7 days, but it's also really concentrating on the Bitcoin blockchain, and that's something that other coins are not providing. That's why we do see um, a lot of good vibes from it. There could always be another coin, another project that might want to do what these guys are doing, but have a lot of team and a lot of companies and all across the world concentrating on this one. So it's definitely going to be an international project and something very interesting. And we won't be surprised if we see stocks in the future among the top 10. So is it worth investment? Probably. But again, do it at your own risk. It's definitely an interesting one, but remember this is no one can predict the future. Just it's very interesting to see a video about it when it was 60 cents and now we see it over like multiplied itself by two. Basically, it's very nice to see something like that. So yeah, definitely check out all these things. Check out the site, the stack site. What we discussed here. You're welcome to watch this video again back in February 2023. You're welcome to read everything we put here. In general, you're welcome to check our YouTube channel for any other relevant content that you like. As always, thanks again for watching. We truly appreciate that. And if you have any comments, feedback, by all means, post it. We love to see your comments and we love to respond as well. Thanks again and have a great day or evening wherever you are. See you. Bye bye.